Welcome to the video tutorials of Fusion 360. In this playlist, we are going to talk about all of these axes given right here into the construction mode panel. In our previous video, we have already discussed this for topic till axis through 2 points. In this video, we are going to talk about axis through edge. So everything and every object into your scene is consist of the edge will be the axis for your scene. For example, if I create this rectangle right here and only one rectangle, by this I can show you it clearly. By using this extrude command, I can clearly extrude it. Now the thing is, it consists of some axis, some edges of the edges, and to use this feature, I'm going to select an edge of this model. If I select this edge, I get an axis. You can also create this axis with this two planes. By selecting axis through two planes, you can create this axis. Select this plane, it will automatically create as axis at the joint of these two planes. So this is the best way. Axis through edge is the best way to select an axis then and there. Hope you like this video. Subscribe to my channel and add this playlist to your YouTube library, and hope you like this video. Comment in the comment box if you have any doubt regarding this Fusion 360 software. I will make videos on the topic which you want to ask, which has some serious doubt. So thanks for watching. Hope you like it.